From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
All right, well, kind of an interesting into the weekend today across Acadiana. Some of us getting into the low and mid 70s this afternoon, mainly Lafayette on southeastward, but most of us remaining in the 60s, but all of us will be experiencing warmer than normal conditions, unseasonably warm weather as we head through pretty much the entirety of the week ahead. So we're going to take a look at the numbers coming up in just a second. But first, satellite radar composite. Again, we have this frontal boundary that is stationary over the Gulf waters. And that is going to be lifting back to the north as a warm front overnight tonight and going into tomorrow. So first off, we are likely going to see fog developing later on this evening and then first thing tomorrow morning. So be on the lookout for that. We'll take a look at the visibilities in just a second. But it's going to be a cool start to the day. We'll say lower 60s. And then outside of that fog, we are going to see mostly cloudy skies through the morning. A few light streamer showers and kind of misty sprinkles will be possible. Again, at least for the first half of the day. Rain chances not too terribly high, and any precipitation we would see out there would be fairly light in nature. Otherwise, some intervals of sunshine by the afternoon will help to push our temperatures into the mid 70s, and then mild muggy conditions tomorrow night, Tuesday morning, mid to upper 60s. And again, we're going to start out mostly cloudy through Tuesday morning, and then again some intervals of sunshine as we head into Tuesday afternoon. But notice these temperatures again, we will remain quite warm. We're talking upper 70s to lower 80s for those highs, and again we'll continue to push those values as we head pretty much for the entirety of the week. Looks like we could get a cold front moving in sometime next weekend, and that would help to usher in some cooler weather for the first half of next week. So again, in the short term, still cool overnight tonight. Again, temperatures upper 50s to lower 60s. That's where we'll start the day tomorrow, and then it's going to be mild into the afternoon. Again, mid 70s. Holding mid to upper 60s first thing Tuesday morning, again with that cloudy start, and then we'll call it partly cloudy into Tuesday afternoon as temperatures are going to be pushing the upper 70s to lower 80s. So again, fog moves in later on this evening and overnight tonight. Again, this is known as advection fog. Essentially, it's the warm, moist Gulf of Mexico air moving over the cooler land areas. And again, that is going to lead to widespread visibilities, more than likely first thing tomorrow morning. So keep that in mind if you're heading out for the early morning commute. So 60 the projected low, at least here in Lafayette, slightly cooler outlying areas, especially to the north, again with that patchy dense fog developing, so be on the lookout for that. And then as we start the week tomorrow, again it's going to be mostly cloudy through the morning, few light showers, again kind of misty sprinkles to help hold our rain chances at around 20 to 30%. Model kind of picking up on that, but again nothing that's really going to be amounting to much. Again, some sunshine by the afternoon will help get our temperatures into the mid 70s. We're going to go 76 to 77 for that projected high. Wind somewhat breezy out of the south at around 6 to 12 miles per hour, and we're going to keep those southerly winds with us into the middle parts of the week. And again, unseasonably warm week of weather ahead. We're going to be talking high temperatures, upper 70s to lower 80s. Rain chances again not too terribly high. They'll kind of settle in after tomorrow into that 10 to 20% range. And again, timing still up in the air, but it does look like a cold front's going to sweep through sometime by the end of the week, heading into the weekend, providing the chance of a few showers, and that should help to usher in more of a feel like fall or even winter as we round out next weekend and head into the first half of next week. Taylor.
Wonderful. Thanks for that, Bradley.